Next question, student. On a long horizontal moving belt, as shown in diagram, a child runs to and fro. With a speed 9 kilometer per hour with respect to the belt. This is the relative velocity of child with respect to belt, 9 kilometer per hour. Between his father and mother, located 50 meter apart. This distance, that is what? 50 meter apart on the moving belt. The belt moves with a speed of 4 km per hour. Belt moving with a speed of 4 km per hour. The belt moves with a speed of 4 km per hour. For an observer on a stationary platform outside, what is the speed of the child running in the direction of motion of the belt? Speed of child running in the direction of motion of the belt. Second, speed of the child running opposite to the direction of motion of the belt. Speed of child running in the opposite to the direction of motion of the belt. Third part, time taken by the child in A and B part. What the time taken by the child in A part and B part, and also which of the answers alter if the motion is viewed by one of the parents. So student, here child is running to and fro between his father and mother, which is located at 50 meter apart, and the belt which is moving 4 km per hour, and the speed of the child with respect to moving belt, which is 9 km per hour, which is given. And first we have to determine the speed of child running in the direction of the motion of the belt. And student, here left to right moving bolt, where the moving belt is what? Moving left to right, direction is taken to be what? Positive direction. So let right to left to be positive direction of x-axis. Left to right direction is taken to be a positive direction of x-axis. And student, velocity of the belt, which is given 4 km per hour, and the relative velocity of the boy, which is relative velocity of child with respect to belt, which is given 9 km per hour. So velocity of belt BB, that is what? Plus 4 km per hour. It means what? In positive direction. And we have to determine first case, speed of child running in the direction of the motion of the belt. And if the child is moving in the direction of the motion of the belt relative to belt, so velocity of child with respect to belt VCB, which is taken to be positive direction, because child is moving with respect to belt in the direction of the motion of the belt, which is taken to be positive. And we have to find the velocity of the child. Here velocity of the child with respect to belt is given, which is taken to be positive, and we have to find the velocity of the child moving in the direction of the motion of the belt. So already we know that VCB is the relative velocity. So relative velocity of child, this is what? VCB, that is what? Relative velocity of child, C for child, with respect to belt, and its formula, that is what? VB, which is what? VB, and this is small v, belt, so CB. So VCB, VC minus what? VB, and relative velocity of child with respect to belt in the direction of the motion of the belt, which is taken to be what? Positive. So this value, that is what? Taken to be positive. This is given, and we have to find the relative velocity of child, and VV, that is what? Taken to be what? 4. So student, here velocity of the child, which comes out to be that is what? 13 kilometer per hour. This is the first answer. This is the first answer. We have to find the speed of child running in the direction of the motion of the belt. So we use formula VCB equal to VC minus VB, and relative velocity of child with respect to belt in the direction of the motion of the belt taken to be what? Positive. So, and the velocity of belt, which is given 4. So velocity of child, which is 13 kilometer per hour, which is in the direction of the motion of the belt. Second student, we have to find same second case. We have to find speed of child running. Belt is moving here in left to right direction, but child is moving with respect to belt in the opposite direction of the motion of the belt. So relative velocity of child with respect to belt, in this case taken to be what? Negative, because relative velocity of child with respect to belt, which is moving opposite direction of the motion of the belt. So second case, velocity of belt, which is taken to be what? Positive, no problem. Velocity of child with respect to belt, here direction taken to be what? Negative, because the velocity child moving with respect to belt in opposite direction of the motion of the what? Belt. Belt is moving from left to right, and child is moving with their relative velocity of the belt in the right to left, right to left direction. So it is taken to be what? Negative. So here velocity of child with respect to belt, which is taken to VCB, which is 9 kilometer per hour, and we have to find VC, velocity of child, in this case. So again we use the formula VCB. VCB, that is what? VC minus VB, relative velocity of child with respect to belt, which is VC minus VB, and in a straight line path, student, speed and velocity, that is what? Same. So here VCB, that is what? Motion of the child, which is opposite direction of the motion of the belt. So that is what? Here taken to be what? Minus 9. Here VC we have to find, and that is what? VB, that is what? Which is plus 4. And when it comes out to be left hand side, student, so minus 9 plus 4. So that is what? Minus 5 kilometer per hour. So magnitude of this velocity, that is what? Speed, that is what? 5 kilometer per hour. Negative sign shows that child appears to move in the opposite direction of the motion of the belt. So VC, which is comes out to be the velocity of child in second case, B case, minus 5 kilometer per hour. And third point, time taken by the child in A and B. In A case, velocity of child comes out to be the 13 kilometer per hour. In B case, velocity of child in magnitude comes out to be that 5 kilometer per hour. So what the time taken by the child in case 1 and in case A and B? And student, since parents are located in for C part answer, since parents, father and mother, which are located on the same belt, so the speed of child as observed by the stationary observer in either direction from father direction to mother direction or mother direction to father direction will be only 9 kilometer per hour. Once again, since the father and mother both are located on the same belt, as speed of child observed by the stationary observer and outside platform in either direction from mother side or from father side, the speed of child will be 9 kilometer per hour. So distance between father and mother, that is what, 50 kilometer, and speed of child either from father to mother or from mother to father, the speed of child will, which is observed by stationary observer, will be what, 9 kilometer, and distance covered by child in A and B case, in both the cases, time taken by the child to travel a distance, that is what, distance, that is what, speed, and distance, that is what, 50 meter, and speed of the child, because their parent is what, also situated or located on the same belt. So speed of the child in this case, as observed by stationary observer outside, will be what, 9 kilometer per hour. So that will be what, 9 kilometer per hour. It can be converted into meter per second. 5 by 18, and student, it comes out to be 2 5 10 ja. So time taken by the child in case A and B means what, speed of the time taken by the child in case first and case second, which is what, 20 second. And the last question, student, which of the answer alter if the motion is viewed by one of the parents? When the stationary observer see the speed of child, when the child is moving in the direction of the motion of the belt, that is what, 13 kilometer per hour. In the opposite direction of the motion of the belt, the speed of child as observed by the observer, that is what, 5 kilometer per hour in case A and B. And last part of the question, which of the answer alter if motion is viewed by one of the parents? Since student, this motion, not by observer, this motion is viewed by one of the parent, so which answer is changed, A, B or C? So answer A and B will be altered, because parents means father and mother, which are located in the same moving belt, and the speed of the child from mother side to father side or father side to mother side will remain 9 kilometer per hour, where in case A and case B, which is observed by the observer from outside, which is 13 kilometer per hour and 5 kilometer per hour. But which answer is altered if this motion is viewed by any parents? So parents which are located on the same belt, and he observed the motion of the child, and the motion of the child means what? Speed of the child either from father side or either from mother side will remain same, that is what, 9 kilometer per hour. So answer A and B, that is what, change. But as the speed between them, that is what, remain 9 kilometer per hour of the child, and distance between 50 meter, so third part, C part, answer will not be changed. So if the motion is viewed by one of its parents, so answer A and B, that is what, change, but answer C will not be changed.